giving big hugs while Dad takes you something.
Well, let me drive in. Daddy Neela's in front. Daddy Neela makes Daddy Neela. You see Daddy's orange car? Look at Daddy's car. Cheese! Oh, and then crash! Ball. Mommy and Daddy must have been at all
Ready?
What song's this? Hola.
Everyone an egg layer. Not less than me laying golden eggs. Belay there, you bilge rat.
Oh, quit your clucking.
Don't know weight on it, so they can fly away.
I saw you back there. I come along and sing a song and join the jamboree. MICKYMOUST. We are the Dapper Dans of Main Street.
And if you did not enjoy our show, then we're the Vienna Boys Choir.
Oh, we
Don't matter which way. How many rings you got on your finger, we don't care.
Doesn't matter where you come from, doesn't even matter who you are. Big, small, short,
I got who's it's and what's it's galore. You want to think of a box? I got 20. But who cares?
It's winter, downward, it's winter, TV. Who are we, you walking, what are you floating under the sea?
Favorite animals for you? Those ones are called striped horsies. Horsies, they can reach up to speeds of 33 miles an hour, making them the fastest animal in the jungle, except for that one. We should probably let him rest. I'm sure he'll get the point in the end next time, though. I mean, what a rhino. She can be quite a tough cookie. But don't worry, she only snaps when you make direct eye contact. Don't do that. I don't give away, just like I scared away my last relationship. Watch this, it works every time. See, it works. Every time! How good! She's not invited to my birthday party this year, but you're all invited. Who's excited for a party? That is so embarrassing! I only bring half of my food back. It's okay. I guess we could try something new this time. Well, guys, look up ahead. You'll see two of our newborn baby elephants.
Allergic to days, people be bright, it's great to see it
There's no turning back now.
Gather tightly to the dead center, waiting the ball.
Your cadaverous power betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
Are you excited to go back into the castle?
So you've been here before? Here or?
Yep, that's one.
Keep going.
Promise I won't bite. Yeah, I'm not gonna.
All right, Sir Mickey's right over there. Once you're done, you'll take them to Sir Mickey's for photos, okay?
You got the rhythm! Come on! Do it with us now! Celebration!
Who hasn't? Who'd you think?
Look, look at it. I thought she was drawing the cupcake. It's okay. What is that? Oh. I never thought he had a hat.
That's amazing.
He's a really good drawer.
I can't take all the credit. The pixie dust in the water does most of the work. So cute.